So I thought I'd just start by introducing our various fragrances. We have 14. I often start, well, they're alphabetical, but I often start with amber and lavender because it's a very good present purchase. Lavender is great for sleeping, de-stressing. The amber cuts in and makes it slightly more masculine. So it has a more sort of cologne-y, lemony fragrance over the lavender. Very, very popular as a gift to people, especially people who love a bath. Bay and Rosemary, consistently our best-selling candle. Very botanical, very fresh. Great for a kitchen or where you want to cover up maybe food smells. Very green, clean. Sometimes it smells, or people describe it as smelling a little bit Christmassy. I don't notice that myself, but I do know people have commented. Moving on then to black rye. Got bergamot, tuberose, patchouli. It's a sort of musky, rich, deep, slightly aftershavey type of fragrance. Then we have cedar and jasmine, probably our only floral, real floral notes in the whole range. So if you like jasmine, you'll definitely like this. So bits of eucalyptus and thyme, jasmine, patchouli again. It's sweet and floral, but with a slight masculine edge to it. We then have chypre, which is very green and clean, very aftershavey, but not our strongest candle. This is very subtle. It's a lovely one for a single room where you don't want too much fragrance, but very, very clean and fresh. Ember and oak. If you imagine smoky fireside, winter, warm spices, but with a musk and a real aftershave tang to it. Very, very popular for the under 25s. Fig and vetiver, one of my favourites. Smells really expensive when it's burning. And beautiful, beautiful fragrance. But it is like Marmite. You love it or you hate it, no in between. Not the best present if you don't know they love fig. But people who love fig, this is a real winner. Next one we have is grapefruit. So grapefruit is very zesty, tangy, fresh, great as a diffuser in a boot room to cover the smell of wet dog hair. Very, very strong, fresh diffuser or strong, fresh as a candle. Orange blossom, verging on a neroli. Beautiful smell, not very strong, but really lovely. Clean, citrusy fragrance. Nice for people who don't want too overpowering and too strong, but want a nice gentle aroma. Ras Al Oud. At the moment, we can't keep this almost in stock because we have so many people buying it. Top note is grapefruit, and then you get the oud. You get the sandalwood, the leather, the musk. Just fantastic. Rich smell, and as it's burning you get all these different fragrances coming up. It's a real winner. We sell a lot of this fragrance. Sandalwood, a true sandalwood. This has a bit of black pepper with it and patchouli. A classic fragrance that's been around for years, not just with us but with other people, and it is sort of masculine, woody, and just very true to sandalwood. Sea salt, I put this into a loo or a bathroom. It's fresh, driftwoody, seaweed, definitely breezy, clean smell. I probably wouldn't use this so much in a bedroom, but more a bathroom, loo, or somewhere I wanted a very clean, fresh smell. Thyme, because the bay and rosemary has been so popular, we have gone into making thyme. We have this diffuser in the shop, very clean and green. My favourite diffuser in my kitchen would be thyme. We sell a lot of these, really, really lovely fresh fragrance. And then finally, winter solstice, strong cinnamon orange winter spice fragrance. Really, really Christmassy. You're probably not going to be burning this except for the Christmas period, but it is a wonderful, popular, strong fragrance. So if you have low ceilings and a cottage, a 1 wick is going to be plenty. If you want the fragrance to permeate through, let's say, a Victorian house with high ceilings, you'll want the 3 wick. It throws more fragrance, but this is a strong, beautiful Christmas fragrance. So all of these fragrances are available in 1 wick candles, 3 wick candles, diffusers and room sprays. We are online at www.oastandrye.co.uk, or come into our shop in Cranbrook and smell the fragrances for yourself.